We have registered our domain name with GoDaddy, and we have our hosting with HostGator. This is what the hosting looks like once you're logged in. And so what we need to do is connect our hosting to our domain name. So domain name needs to tell where your website is. Now if you bought your domain name through GoDaddy and you also bought your hosting through GoDaddy, you can skip this step. But if you haven't, or if you bought your domain name through a different place than you put your hosting, then what you'll want to do is get your name servers. They look something like, it'll be NS and then some number, so ns12 dot something .com or something like that. And then you'll have a couple of them, like maybe ns13 dot something. These should have come in your welcome email if you signed up with HostGator. But if you didn't sign up with HostGator, it's just going to be a different process for you. So in any case, you should have your name servers, and you need these in order to point your domain name at your hosting. So we are logged in here. I'm going to go ahead and go to my account with GoDaddy. So I'm going to go to my account here, and I'm going to launch the domain manager for GoDaddy. And the one that I've got a lot of domains, obviously. We are going to set the name servers for this website, amazingearplugs.com. So how I go about doing that is I click here next to the domain name, Amazing Earplugs, and I'm going to go here and I am going to set the name servers for Amazing Earplugs. And I have specific name servers for my domains. So you can see by default GoDaddy has set these as the name servers, but my name servers for HostGator are here. That is it. So and your host may take care of this for you as well. And so I have specific name servers. I'm going to go ahead and set those as the name servers for my domains. Sorry, I had to adjust the screen just a little bit here to get it so you could see it. So I'm going to go ahead and click this OK button. And then that's going to give me a message. This is going to take a little bit. It can take up to 48 hours depending on where in the world you are, depending on your country and all kinds of other factors that we won't go into. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And now we have set the name servers. So what we want to do then is go to our hosting. I am logged in here, and this will be different if you're not hosting, if you're hosting with somebody other than HostGator. But in HostGator, I'm logged into the control panel. And what I want to do is go ahead and click on Add on Domains, and I want to add a new domain name. So in this case, we're going to go with amazingearplugs.com. The document root, I would like this to sit at a folder called amazingearplugs.com, and it can create a username for me. Now you're going to have to create a password for this particular folder. We'll get into all of this later, but basically you just want the domain name to point to somewhere on your hosting. I'm going to go ahead and create my password here. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and add the domain. And as soon as this comes back, we will have added the name servers to our domain name so that our account is actually going to point to the right place. So thank you very much, and that is how you point your name servers at your hosting account.